Betty Botter bought some butter, but the butter...
Once upon a time. And now I am a grandmama, telling stories as I sit. Help! Help! Danya! Help me! What? Where's my horse? And my cart? And my chickens? And my... I had an accident. What accident? I'll accident you! Help me! Oh! Philip! What a wonderful Cindy, go and wash the window. Cindy, sweep the hall. Sing, sing, sing.
Oh, Daddy, do you know you're still number one? But girls, they wanna have fun. Oh, girls just wanna have. That's all they really want.
Do you know why I hate her? Because I'm mean, mean, mean. It's great to be mean. I love it. Mean, mean, mean. Can't wait to be mean. Mean, mean. Never too late to be mean, mean. Guess it's my fate to be mean, mean, mean. I'm mean.
That was pointless.
Sisters, sisters, no one can resist us. I will find the winner, and me and
Shut up! Wanna have fun, girls. Wanna have, they just wanna, they just wanna, they just wanna, they just wanna, they just wanna have fun.
and only Pinocchio, only Pinocchio, 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 only Pinocchio.